Welcome to Wild Bill's Garage, my friends. I thought it was over, but it didn't end. Now I'm out of the tractor filming with the drone. I think Wild Bill's Garage will call this home. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and germs, welcome to Wild Bill's Garage. Just come to this. Posting about a goddamn tractor. Oh, it's Uncle Robert's home. It's snowing, October the 13th. So we're moving blocks, we're grading, moving gravel, and how easy is this thing to drive? And what do we think of it after over 20 hours? Let's get at it. Drive with me. So the Kubota's got 21.9 hours. People wave at you up here. This is the weird thing. We lived in a city, nobody waved at anybody. Up here, like, I don't know who that was, so they waved at me. It's Crestview, it's a neighborhood. Everybody, it's a small town. Everybody waved at everybody. So we got 21, kind of nice. Kind of weird, but kind of nice. 21.9 hours on the Kubota, and I've gotten over its inability of what it can lift, and I'm absolutely overjoyed with what it can lift. Just things like this is kind of being a baby, getting the wood. But we do this every day, and it's middle of October and it's already snowing, so this is going to be a long winter, looks like. There are always long winters in the Yukon. So the tractor, I'm loving it. I just love it. Being in the shitty shape that I'm in, and I don't mean physically, I'm leaner than most people in North America my age. I just have medical conditions and a few wore out body parts, so this thing does all the heavy lifting. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. It's very economical on fuel, but I really have no complaints. It can do, we pick up with the forks, we pick up 400 pounds of blocks, 10 blocks. And it'll only go about 4 or 5 feet high, but I can put the bucket on and pick up more blocks. But it's, you know what? Okay, 13 blocks to a row. I just put 13 blocks on there, but I'm down low. We're still, let's see what happens. Smart though, because I don't want that top block to fall onto my line. With 13 blocks, it'll pick it up. So that's 520 pounds. Is that right? Let's put your brake on. I know a guy got crushed on a loader one time. The thing was idling and they got between the load and the bucket and it rolled on him. Always put your brake on. So 520 pounds. Bucket goes up and down, no problem. 520 pounds was a 40-pound blocks. pretty cool. Boy, that saves a lot of effort there. You know what? There's 78 blocks to a pallet. Whether you pick up 6 or pick up 10 or pick up 20, it's a bitch. I'm moving that whole pile to the back wall there. Okay, I'll show you what I do here. You're gonna think I'm retarded, but I am, so we don't have to worry about that. That's a dead conversation. It's not going anywhere. We rented a big zoom boom and moved all these pixels up, no problem, but trying to get back here with the big zoom boom is very difficult. This thing is just fantastic. Zips around the corner. We already got a couple of blocks, pallets moved. But this is what I'm doing right now. Being retired, I have the advantage of time, and being somewhat low in brain cells, I have the advantage of not caring about ignorant labor. But I can't do much. I don't have enough horsepower anymore. But this is what I do. Once it gets down lower, it's a lot easier, but these first couple rows are a bitch. These are 40-pound blocks. I don't know about that, Bill. Okay, we'll finish this post. It's actually a day or two later because I was editing and then it did this. It snowed. My yard cleanup's going extremely well. Extremely well. So we'll just finish up here. My wife's gonna run the tractor. She's never been on a tractor in her life, but she's driven lots of, bigger rigs. She used to drive a 30-foot motorhome. Just to give an example that I'm not saying anybody can do it. She's got some skill, and but it is just an amazingly user-friendly little machine. I'm really loving it. I'm loving it. The backhoe is super powerful. I'm totally impressed with the power of the backhoe. The bucket and the lift, yeah, like this here right here, I can't lift this. I can't lift that. But I'm not going to change the hydraulics. I know I've watched like Biff's equipment in a few. Quite a few guys have changed their. I'm not dicking with the. If I want more strength, I'll buy a bigger tractor. That's cool. I mean, I'm glad to do that. It's pretty neat for guys to show how to do it. But that's fine. That's fine. What I'll do is I put the bucket in, and I'll be able to put not only all of that, I'll be able to add probably another half dozen. Because it'll take 520 pounds in the bucket, and it'll only take about 300, 350 with this thing on. These forks are heavy. Where that bucket is, it's strong, but it's light. Very light. Okay, thanks for coming out on these Kubota adventures. Can you call them adventures? Do you have adventures on a tractor? I don't know. I guess if you roll it over. Other than that, it's basically just, it's labor. Labor on a Tonka toy. Over and out. All Bill's Garage Kubota series. BX23S. This is my amazing wife of 35 plus years. She's been on the Kubota 2 minutes. We should get the long ones first, babe. Nope. That's with the easy on the steering. Thank you. Back up and go in here. I'm trying not to be bossy. But with new people. Oh, don't steer hard, okay? Please treat it like you own it, which you do. Oh, you'll know if you hit it, it'll make a noise. Okay, so she's got now what, 7? Way around the corner.
Yeah, but I'm turning around.
Oh, sure, yeah, you do whatever makes you happy. So she's got like 8 minutes on the Kubota. So do you think it's easy to run? Like, sure, she's not doing the backhoe, and yeah, she's not you know, bucketing and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, she looks pretty damn happy. Okay, that's good there. She scares me. She's a really good driver though. She's driven lots of big rigs. She's helped me a lot in our endeavors over the last 35 years. So that means I've done a life sentence plus 10 and counting. Huh. Okay, so that's our Kubota for today so far. Just showing really that this thing can be driven by just about anybody. Of course, a little bit of training, you know, we went over the brakes and things, but it is so, just to do a simple job like this, where we would have to, before, back the truck up, you know, and throw it in. We want to put it in that trailer, Mad Max, going out to Uncle Mike's. So, I mean, it's a lot of work. This just really just saves so much time, and it's so much fun. I just love this thing. I absolutely love it. It's a Tonka toy. I had Tonka toys when I was 7, and I'm 62 soon, and I'll have another one. I'm very, very blessed. Okay, I'm going to turn it off here for a sec. We're going to give her some instruction.